Hi Stampers, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been doing a daily video series where I pick one Stampin' Up stamp set or a bundle or a product, and then I make 5 projects and I share them with you every day at noon Eastern Standard Time. And this week I am featuring the Courage and Faith stamp set. This is really a beautiful, beautiful stamp set, and I've got 5 gorgeous cards to show you. I'm so excited to show you. This is yesterday's card, and it uses this beautiful paper. It's called Masterfully Created Designer Series paper. And I use this paper in all of this week's cards, and I will have the links below in the description for both the stamp set and the paper. And then over on my blog, I will have all the measurements, more pictures, and all the products that I used. So if you're interested in shopping with me, I would appreciate it. Also, I have an August host code gift. For placing an order of $50 or more, I will turn around and send you the In Color Pearls, and I'll send those to you in September, just as a little thank you. But I am always here to answer all your stamping questions. So there it is, Stampin'shout@gmail.com. And this is my blog, Stampin'shout.blogspot.com. So today, so excited. I love this. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So it's a card. It's a card base. It doesn't open. You could make it so it does open. You would just have to double it. It's a little bookmark if you want, or you could just leave it like this. It's beautiful either way. So we're going to get started really quickly here. So I have a card base of lemon lime. I also have a square of lemon lime, a square of white, a stamping piece. Actually, this is a matte piece and my designer series paper. And then on this card, I also used the tailor-made tag dies. This is really a nice set for tags and for cards, and it has 2 different shapes that you can use, and it also has the little reinforcement, and they all have that little stitching around them, so it's beautiful. See how it's got the little stitching? It really looks nice. So really quick and easy card again today, but gorgeous. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the white piece to the base and the designer series paper to the base. Then I have a piece of white that I cut out, and I'm going to glue that to the back of the tag, and that's just to give it some reinforcement. So I told you that this tailor-made tags also comes with these little tiny reinforcements. So I cut that out ahead of time, and I'm just going to glue that right around that little opening. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to stamp on here. I'm going to use Berry Burst, and the sentiment I'm using is trust in the Lord with all your heart. So we'll finish this up in a little bit. We'll put a little ribbon on there. So for these 2 pieces, I am going to cut them diagonally. That'll create our pocket. So I'm just going to put them in the cutting machine and line up each corner with the cutter. So you actually get 2 triangles, so you could save that and make another card. But before I glue them together, I'm going to go ahead and stamp on here. And again, I am using the Berry Burst. And you have to stamp it near the bottom. That's where it fits the best. So let's bring the tag back in and finish that. I just went through my stash and I got some twine. And I cut like 4 strips, 4 strands. Let's see, those are about 6 inches. So this is thicker twine, but it does fit. And there's so many ways you can add to your tag with ribbons and twine, yarn. So I have those 3 right there. And now I'm just going to take this one, I'm just going to tie it around the base. And then those can go up also. And then I'm just going to trim it so it's even. And that's that. So to make the pocket, I'm just going to glue these two pieces together, and you line them up right down in the corner. Now I'm going to add some tear and tape on the back. I'm going to add tear and tape on the bottom and on the side, and no tape is going to go on that diagonal. I'm just going to remove that backing. Well, it's a good thing I fast forwarded through that. That took me a little bit of time, didn't it? So this pocket is going to go in the bottom left-hand corner, just like that. And then your bookmarker fits right in there. So that's today's card. I hope you like it. If you do like my cards and videos and are interested in purchasing any of these products, remember, I will have all of the information on my blog, and I would appreciate it so much. Also, don't forget to share and like and comment, and whoever comments will be entered to win today's card. So that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow at noon. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.